Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Grace Lokolo and also known as Grace. I'm from class 3F studying Tourism Business Management, majoring in tourism at Bali State Polytechnic. On this session, I would like to explain to you about what food and beverage is. Let's get started. So, the first, I will explain to you about food. What is food? Food is any substance consumed by an organism for nutritional support. Food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal origin. The substance is ingested by an organism and assimilated by the organism cells to provide energy, maintain life, or stimulate growth. Food provides energy for the body in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are rapid energy, while fats are energy storage. Protein is another food energy source used by the body of animals and humans. One food may be high in fat and calories, while another food may be more healthy, but lacks a delicious taste. French fries taste very good, but this food is high in calories and sodium. Milk and cheese are good source of calcium, but they can cause discomfort for people with dairy allergies. In the food chain, plants use photosynthesis, which allows plants to be a food source for animals and humans. Without plants using photosynthesis, there would be no food for other life forms. Human food can be classified in various ways, either by related content or by how it is processed. The number and composition of food groups can vary. Most systems include 4 basic groups that describe their origin and relative nutritional function: vegetables and fruit, cereals and bread, dairy, and meat. The Food and Agriculture Organization and World Health Organization use a system with 19 food classifications: cereals, roots, pulse and nuts, milk, eggs, fish and shellfish, meat, insects, vegetables, fruits, fats and oils, sweets and sugars, spices and condiments, beverage, foods for nutritional uses, food additives, composite dishes, and savory snacks. Okay, so what is the purpose of providing food for? Food provides our bodies with what they need to stay alive, be active, move and work, themselves build new cells and tissues for growth, stay healthy and heal themselves, prevent and fight infections. Where does that food come from? Alright, there are 2 sources of food. The first is plant and the second from animal. Green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis using solar energy. So, green plants are called autotrophs of producers. Plant food products are the different types of food that we get from plants. Green plants are the primary source of food. Plants provide us with vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulse, spice, nuts, oils, etc. The various parts of plants which are used as food materials by us are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Omnivorous humans are highly adaptable and have adapted to obtain food in many different ecosystems. Humans generally use cooking to prepare food for consumption. The majority of the food energy required is supplied by the industrial food industry, which produce food through intensive agriculture and distributes it through complex food processing and food distribution systems. Okay, next I would like to tell you about beverage, question of beverage. The first, alcoholic beverage, and the second is non-alcoholic beverage. Let me explain to you about alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage is portable liquid which contain 2% to 75% of liquor. They are produced by the introduction of yeast for fermentation into substances such as fruits, cereal, grain, molasses, and plain extract. Technically, it is known as ethyl alcohol that forms as the product of a chemical reaction in which yeast converts the glucose present in the cereals or molasses into alcohol and carbon dioxide or CO2, though there is other reaction taking place at the same time and that also influence the character of the finished beverage. Alcoholic beverage has been divided into two categories. They are as follows. 1. Fermented alcoholic beverage and 2. Distilled alcoholic beverage. Fermented beverage are classified broadly as wine and beer. Wine is a beverage that is prepared by fermentation of grape or other fruits like cherry, apricots, pears, etc. by the addition of yeast. Beer is prepared by the fermentation of grain with yeast with the addition of foods. These are generally called fermented mild beverage. Alcoholic beverage number 2 is distilled beverage. A distilled beverage, period, liquor or hard liquor, is an alcoholic beverage produced by distillation of a mixture produced from alcoholic fermentation, such as wine. The beverage are distilled using either a pot still or a patent still. Distilled beverage are rum, whiskey, vodka, gin, brandy, tequila. They are also called spirits. Flavored and sweetened spirits are called liqueurs. And the second beverage is non-alcoholic beverage. Non-alcoholic beverage refers to non-intoxication drinks or soft drinks which doesn't have a bit of liquor by volume or yeast is not introduced to convert sugar into alcohol during fermentation. They are considering a soft beverage, which can be had according to the choice and standard. For example, mineral water, juices, sauces, syrups, tea, coffee, milk, etc. And that brings us to the end. That's all presentation from me. I want to apologize if there is a mistake. May all those I've shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.